Good morning, grade 6. How are you? So, last lecture we have done some professions and negative forms. Okay, so now the same exercise number 1, page number 76, based on these negative forms. So, we will do the negative forms. Okay, so we have already done these negative forms on page number 71. So if you have any doubt, you can take help from here. Okay, so the first one is I'm going to start. The first one is les negative forms. Okay, right? So the first one is negative. So a part is il aime les glaces. Okay, he like ice cream. When we change into negative form, na before the verb and pa after the verb. This one is the verb. Okay, right? So why we put an apostrophe here? Because after that the word is, this one is verb. If the any word is coming like vowels, voyelle we call in French voyelle, A-E-I-O-U. So that time we will use an apostrophe. Okay. So, je n'aime pas les glaces. I don't like ice cream. I don't like ice cream. Okay. So, B part. J'achète des pommes au marché. Je n'achète pas. N sound go with A. Okay. Otherwise it is achète. But when we speak with N, so je n'achète pas the pomme au marché. So here is a they, but this is a negative form. When you in they comes with any sentence, when we change into negative form, all will be the de. Okay, but this formula will not work with the adverb, and rest of the verb this formula will work. Okay, so here is je n'achète pas de pomme au marché. I don't buy apples from market. It's talking about the not a supermarket, like for sale market like this. Okay, je n'achète pas de pomme au marché. Okay, so next one is Rita apporte le parapluie. Apporte is to bring. Okay, Rita is a name. Okay, n'apporte pas le parapluie. Okay, n'apporte pas le parapluie is umbrella. Okay, this one. So Rita not bring the umbrella. Okay, then the part il fait froid. It's cold. Il ne fait pas froid. It's not cold. Okay, for F-R-O-I-D, it means cold. Okay, E part, vous mangez l'ananas. Okay, vous ne mangez pas l'ananas. Okay, so vous mangez l'ananas, you eat ananas. Okay, you don't eat ananas. Okay, F part, so space is less, so I written here, so please do carefully this one. Okay, then la mère de Manuel travaille dans l'hôpital. Okay, so la mère de Manuel ne travaille. So la mère de Manuel travaille dans un hôpital is the mother of Manuel work in hospital. Okay, but when we change into negative, the mother of Manuel do not work in the hospital. Okay, so G part, Martin a professeur d'anglais. Okay, when it sounds go with the, say d'anglais. Okay, so Martin n'est pas professeur d'anglais. So Martin is professor of anglais? No, elle n'est pas professeur d'anglais. Okay, Martin is not professor of anglais. Okay, there will be no change. The apostrophe will come. so the same will be there. Okay, there will be no change. Then nous habitons à Tokyo. Okay, we live in Tokyo. Okay, this one is the place of Tokyo. Nous habitons, this is a verb, habiter verb. Okay, nous n'habitons pas à Tokyo, we don't live in Tokyo. Okay, ne and pas comes, it means do not. Then il y a des crayons dans la trousse. There are some crayons, il y a used for there are. Okay, dans la trousse, in the kit. Okay, trousse is your kit. Okay, stationery, that one is where you keep your pencils or these all kit, this one. Okay, trousse is a kit. Okay, il n'y a pas de crayon dans la trousse. There are some crayons in the kit. There are no crayons in the kit. Okay, when we change into negative, there are no crayons in the kit. C'est une belle cravate, it's a beautiful tie. Okay, when we change into negative, ce n'est pas une belle cravate. Okay, so in this une will not change the, okay, because it comes with a. This one is est, this is a th verb, and this formula will not work with this verb. If a, une, they are there, so there will be no change. Okay. So ce n'est pas une belle cravate. Okay, it's not a belle beautiful tie. Okay, so this is your negative forms exercise, negative. So now this is the feminine forms. Okay, exercise 2, based on feminine forms, you have to change the feminine form. Masculine are given. Okay, and we have to change the feminine form. Okay, it is written phrase of feminine. Okay, so the first one is l'instituteur est bon. Okay, so l'instituteur est bon. Okay, the instructor is handsome. Okay, bon, beau, it means handsome, this one. Okay, but when we change into feminine form, l'institutrice est belle. Okay, the instructor is beautiful, but this one belle is used for beautiful, and this beau for handsome. Okay, for gents, and this is for ladies. Okay, for female. Fine. Then B part, la coiffeur est américain. Okay, the barber is American. Okay, when we change into feminine form, this will be coiffeuse, la coiffeuse est américaine. This is America, la coiffeur est américain, la coiffeuse est américaine. Okay, when we change into feminine, this will be ending will be e. Okay, so then C part, les chanteurs sont grands. The singer is grand, is tall. Okay, when we change into feminine, les, the singers are tall. Okay, grand, grand, les is there, this word, it means a plural form. Chanteur is a singer, masculine, and so grand is a are tall. When we change into feminine, les chanteuses sont grandes. Okay, ending will be es. Okay, feminine, when the feminine will come, so the spelling will be changed, grandes. Okay, right? And do one thing, le chanteuse, chanteus will come here. Okay, so put s end of this one here. Yes, okay, chanteus will come. Okay, right? So add s. Okay, so D part, le boulanger et italien. Okay, when we change into boulanger is a baker. Okay, when we change family, la boulangère est italienne. Okay, when we write feminine, so Italian will come. Okay, double ne will be there. Okay, so E part, le journaliste. This word is same in masculine form also and feminine form. These are the invariable words. Okay, invariable words means invariable professions. Okay, so there will be no change if it is masculine or feminine. Okay, so same profession will be same, there will be no change. And like journalist is a journalist. Okay, in a masculine and feminine both. Okay, only this here is a intelligent and intelligent, the ending will be e, only this will be changed, rest of the sentence will be same. Okay, the profession will be same, this like journalist, le journalist, there will be no change. Okay, then F part, le mécanicien est mince. Okay, mince is slim. La mécanicienne est mince. Okay, la mécanicien, mechanic, this is for masculine and this is for, sorry, this one is feminine. Okay, a means is for slim. Okay, G part, la facture est canadien. Okay, this is a postman, Canadian. Okay, then when we change into feminine, la factrice est canadienne, the postman is Canadian, same but only the spelling will be changed. Okay, this one is TRICE, and then we change into masculine, Canadien, CANADIEN, and when we change into feminine, CANANADINNE will be there, so it's a feminine form. Okay, so le judge est strict, this one is the same invariable profession, so there will be no change. La judge is judge, a strict, only we will add e. Okay, it means this is a feminine form. Okay, then la infirmière est gentille. Okay, the infirmière, nurse is kind, this is a for masculine form, and la infirmière est gentille. Okay, gentille. Okay, this one is for feminine, only double L E will be there, it means this is the feminine. Okay, so infirmière, infirmière. Okay, this is the sound. Okay, so we have to learn and go with writing practice, then you can learn the spell. Okay, so do the writing practice exercise, this one negative forms. Okay, and this one two feminine forms. Okay, do the writing practice and learn, listen this video at least 3-4 times and keep your finger when you do reading. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask, no problem. Okay, but for this exercise, both exercise, you have to see the page number 71. Okay, and 72, 73, 74, 75 and 76 vocab is there, so you can see the vocab. So read carefully all these pages, then you can understand this chapter. Okay, and learn the professions. So if you have any doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you everyone, take care.